Hello, welcome back to the Brian's Bus Adventure. And we haven't been inside the bus for a while, but here I'm going to take you inside the bus, and we showed you the outside, what has to be done in there. As you can see, there is a plethora of things that need to be done inside. This, of course, is the driver's seat, the wiring panel, where we've been getting into and repairing wires. The dash is half apart. Had to get in there to find out about the headlights and the turn signals and all that stuff, which now work, of course. And turning back around here, you'll see this is the passengers area, and that seat will be going back in there in the very near future. But what do we have here? Have a couple of extra new boxes sitting in here. The one here on the left, and that is our gasless or our tankless gas water heater, and the one over here is our reverse osmosis water system that we're going to put in the bus. And I had to bring those in just to kind of see where they're going to fit. Well, who knows where they're going to fit? Well, I think I do, but we're going to find out as we tear everything apart. This is going to end up being a couch area back over here. Oh, excuse me. This will be the desk area over here. I'll have my working desk there. And, of course, the seat will be up here for the driver. That'll be me and maybe Pam, too. And back here, behind the water heater, is going to be a couch. There'll be a nice long couch from here back to there. And actually it's going to come to about this blue line. This should be the couch. From that blue line, let's see, from that blue line back up to the front here, or close to the front. Yeah, there'll be probably a little arm rest on each side, and we'll be working with that. Under here, this should be where the reverse osmosis water system goes. And it looks like I have a visitor back again. Hi, Carlita.
Hi.
Are you going to come in and help and talk with me?
Sure.
All right. This is the water heater here, Carly. And that, or excuse me, this is the water system. It's going to take the old impure water and turn it into drinking water. Okay? Okay. And that will go under here. And that's where the old water heater used to go. Yep. And yeah, don't knock that off. Don't knock it over. Thank you. And here, as you'll see, there is a Chinese space heater in there, and that's the diesel space heater, and that's going in where the old Suburban space heater was. And so that leaves us a lot of room, and we'll be able to put an extra shelf or so in there. And then back here, not quite for sure how it's going to sit yet, but we're going to have an induction stove, microwave, convection oven in this area somewhere. And I'm not for sure how I'm going to install it yet. There will be, of course, the sink is here, and as you can tell, this is just one great big working area here, and it'll be all cleaned up and ready to go. Again, over here, I'm not sure. We may take this entire sink countertop off and maybe make a Corian countertop out of from the whole thing, so it goes from there all the way over. And then maybe countersink that induction stove top in. Now, we've talked both ways. We've talked about installing it permanently, and we've talked about being able to just take it off, store it in one of these shelves, and then as needed bring it back up. Carly, what is this here? What is it?
The refrigerator.
The Frigitator. It works really well. Show them how it works. That's the what is that part up there?
This is the freezer.
That's the freezer.
You either can do it like this,
Okay.
or you can do it like this.
Okay.
But you have to pull this out
Okay.
and open it.
Open it up, and is it cold inside?
Yeah.
Very cold. Okay. Now, how
And
about
this? Is the refrigerator.
Okay.
You can do it with your thumb a little bit hard ways, or you can do it the way I showed you, like this.
Okay. Okay, you gotta make sure that, there you go, it's gonna click when it closes. And is the bottle of water in there cold still? All right. And you see we have a little circulating fan in there. It's not really hooked up yet, but that little blue thing is a circulating fan that will help cool down the refrigerator a lot quicker. Because with these refrigerators, they're both what they call an ammonia refrigerator, which is totally different than what's in the house, and it takes them a long time to cool off. And it takes not a long time to heat up. So, okay. Now on this side, there's a cabinet under here. Don't know if you can really see it or not. There's a cabinet under here, a 3-drawer cabinet, like a kitchen cabinet that's under there. And there'll be shelves, a couple of shelves that will go up here above that. And these electronics are going to come out of here. And that'll be finished back off again with something different, but the holes will be gone. This one right here was for the old furnace, the Suburban furnace and whatnot. It's not even going to be here anymore. This is the water tanks and everything else that's in there. And let's see, that's the batteries. So batteries are all good. We know that. What was down here? I think there was a, I can't remember what was down there, but it's going to be gone.
Do you know the Chinese song?
What's that?
I love Chinese, I love Chinese, I love Chinese.
Okay. And in here, this is going to end up being the electronics cabinet. This is where the battery chargers are going to be, you know, for our phones and whatnot, and that kind of stuff. It'll also be where the Servo GX monitor will be located. And again, this will probably end up being some type of pull-out cabinet or pull-out shelving for maybe overflow from the kitchen or whatever. Again, not quite decided on that yet, but we will. We'll be getting there.
Don't we have one of these in the other camper?
We have also a hitch cabinet trailer. What do you want to pull behind? And it has also a refrigerator in it like that. Yeah. Yep. And what do we have back here? What's behind you there, girl?
Toilet.
The toilet. Yep, we have a good toilet. It goes right down into our black tank.
And they got a shower.
Nice stand-up shower. Up, the top is locked. Yep, the top is locked up there. Show them how they unlock it. Pull it down. That's it. Now open the door.
Right now, how you unlock it.
Yeah, right now it's kind of a storage cabinet, and all that will come out as we get going, of course. So go ahead and lock that puppy back up again. Very good, young lady. That's good. Now I took the shower completely apart, the shower control and the head and everything, and it makes now for a very nice shower combination there. And what is here, Carlita?
It's a cabinet.
That's called a wardrobe. And that's where you're going to put hang-up clothes and stuff like that. So that'll go there.
And you can open this door so you can like change back there or something. No one will see you.
Oh, yeah. Dang right. That's good. That's good. And you can close it also. More storage down below there before you close that. 2 shelves down there, and then this up here for the hanging.
What is this?
What is that? That says Brian's on it. What do you say? Show it around. Show it around here. There. Brian's. Richard and Pam from Rutledge, Georgia. Cool. That was given to us by the lady, our realtor, when we bought the house.
I found a safe.
You found it? Whoosh! You're not supposed to tell them what safe's at. Okay. Yeah, there's going to be a safe in this place somewhere. Not there, of course. What do we have back here, Carly? It's another closet. This is going to be for just stacking different clothes and whatnot in. Probably this. Sheets and towels and stuff like that.
Got this in there.
Yeah, that is a thing to make the air smell good. Okay. Then under this we have a
sink with a pull-out door like that.
What would go in there?
Toothpaste.
Yeah,
and your
toothpaste.
hair bows and stuff like that.
Hair bows? Yeah, I need the hair bow.
And that's like
more storage.
More storage for like toilet paper or
sure, anything like
towels
that. Okay.
And there's some more storage up there.
There's going to be there is a set of mirrors that go on in front of that, and of course you can see the light.
You should have one of them like pull-out mirrors, so you still have storage there.
There will be. They'll open up in the middle.
No, but they're gonna be tiny.
Yeah, that's for sure. What's back here?
This is like where the beds go, I think.
Yep.
Right?
Well, yep. A bed on each side. A bed over here.
Right now it's a
bed over here.
Storage room.
Yeah. What is that seat there? There's 2 seats. Where do they go? One is for the driver, and one is for the co-pilot, the navigator, the passenger.
The co-pilot one is that one.
Okay. At the end of each of there's going to be 2 single beds in here. At the end here, there will be a cabinet that will go from the ceiling down to the floor, and that will be a hang-up wardrobe type closet. And Carly, can you turn that light on for me over there so we can see a little better? Oh my goodness, that was bright. Let's turn this around a little bit. That is a temporary light, of course, as you can tell, but it's a light.
Oh, goodness.
You don't want to stay back in this spot.
Here, I will hold it.
Okay, you hold it for me. Thank you. Anyway, no, put it over there so we don't get light in the camera. And then there will be a second little wardrobe that goes over here. Air conditioners. Well, let me see if we can get a hold of those. The air conditioners up here are going to go away. You can go ahead and turn it off now if you'd like, because we're going to be running a mini split in here, which will be really nice too. So again,
have a nice
all the windows are Peninsula windows back here.
window.
They have a screen on them. You open them,
Yeah.
and they lock when you push
I don't
that
want to
down.
open this one because of that.
Yeah. Same with that one over there. It has a screen on it. You can open it up.
I don't know how to get back there.
Yeah, knock stuff over probably. Okay. Now let's go back to the front again. Oh, up here's a nice fan. This one here is a fan that's controlled by the rain. If it rains, it shuts. It's also voice activated. If you want to go, fan, open up. It's not been programmed yet, but you can do that. And then, of course, the light right here will illuminate the bathroom. LED.
Yeah, LED. LED.
LED lights. Yep.
Right now, that's a storage cabinet.
Storage cabinet. Yep, we're going back. But again, right now the cabinet's just a catch-all because we're doing a lot of work. This is the locking and unlocking mechanism for the front door. And when we get that all done, we're going to be insulating that front door really well. And
Co-pilot.
then we'll be putting that back on and painting it and probably doing a lot more to it than that. Oh, up here. This is where the radio and whatnot go. There's a CD player, radio, etc. in there. It's not on, babe, because you got to turn it on. Yeah, okay. But that's all coming out and sliding over to the side over here. It will end up being incorporated over here, because this is where the mini split's going to go. It go right here above this window.
Doesn't it slide open?
That will slide open. Yes, ma'am. It sure will. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you can reach the other side.
Probably not.
Good job. Very good. That's what's closed up. Again, that's all going to go away.